Okay, so, battery's dead.
Wonderful.
What you want to do is to loosen the bracket bolt, which holds the battery down in place in the battery tray. This keeps the battery from shifting around. You need to loosen this bolt up first. The prevalent school of thought is to disconnect the negative battery terminal first. Then you want to disconnect the positive battery terminal. The old battery and looking around the battery tray area, sometimes removing the tray, lifting it up out, just to see what's going on in there, to see if you might need to clean it at all. You've inspected the battery tray area, you take your brand new battery, put it into the battery tray and make sure everything is positioned properly. This connecting rod which holds the bracket down, which in turn holds the battery in place, is really sometimes a bear to get back, but you have to be patient with it. Battery properly secured and the rod back in place.
Okay.
You position the bracket over it and you want to clamp it and tighten it down so that it's snug, so that the battery does not shift or move while you're driving.
That seems more reasonable.
You all know how magnets pick up things, and I bet you even know that the Earth itself is one great big magnet. That's why compasses always point north. Well.
Idling rough. Probably ECU controller. ECU reset. Or flash.
Miscellaneous TNM, honey stepper, deft, I fit. all big, letters, no acronym. 2 turntables but no DJ scratching them. Ritual romance, emotions, power 3. TMM, temperature, mentality, temperamentally. Push towards the stretch, push comes to shove. My signing on is my login for my labor of love. Rise, fall, sun growth, reminisce, scientific soft porn, love by osmosis. Curiosity kills the feline instinct. Too sleepy to stay awake, but too engrossed to blink. Question what's real, school exclusively. Metaphysics, thick blood, Fakusha, Kasveda Lehi. Only the sky as fate's decree. No reason why complex simplicity. Dissipate, disagree.